You know something? Yeah. I was about to, this is a 5-second beer. That means it takes 5 seconds for it to, your brain to understand what you just sampled. And it started out a nice sweet, yeah, Oktoberfest, but then there's an undercurrent of hop there that just it puts the mark of the USA on it. That's what it does. So as far as an American Oktoberfest, absolutely, yeah, it hit it. It did. It met expectations. I'm going to look on the bottom here and see. Okay, what do we got? 9/14/23. So September 14th. That was supposed to be. That was about right for an Oktoberfest. It's right on. It might be a little flabby, but does it meet the expectations for what I was looking for? Yes, it does. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great. Also, a comment, and don't forget to share us with your friends. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.